We now have our handle finished. I have opted to sew down both sides. I just think it makes it a little more sturdy. We are going to butt them together. We're not going to overlap them. It gives us too much thickness. We're going to just butt them side by side. We have our tag. We're just going to insert that into that opening that we have not closed up yet. Stick it in as far as you want. You know, give it, oh good, 1/2 inch to 1 inch. Kind of center that. Then you're going to take your plastic that you cut. And as long as the plastic, you lay that on top, and I just kind of line it up with the bottom. Make sure you have enough room here to stick your little name tag in. Otherwise, trim it down a little bit more. And you just lay that on there, and we're going to start sewing right here. And I'm going to stick a pin just so those don't move very far. And I'm going to start sewing 1/4 inch here. I'm going to come around and down. Now when I hit the plastic right here, I'm going to take a couple of back stitches because I want that plastic really on there. Come all the way around, and you're catching that plastic, and you're going to meet back where you started and do a little back stitching. Don't forget when you come off the plastic to also do a little back stitching here for stability. As long as your plastic is on top, it will not stick to your sewing machine. But if you face this down where the plastic is on your machine, it won't budge, it will stick. Make sure you're sewing with it up. If you have any problems sewing with plastic, putting a little bit of baby powder on top of your plastic will help it move a little more smoothly under your pressure foot.